aspiring pharmacist, as you may know, the KAPS exam is being replaced by OPRA, which is Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment Examination, starting from the March 2025 session. While there are some similarities between KAPS and OPRA, but there are also some significant changes that I am here to explain. As I said earlier, the OPRA exam will be launched in March 2025, which means the final KAPS exam will be held this November 2024. Also, there is a confusion over who all are eligible to write the last KAPS exam. Those who have already received their exam eligibility letter, first-time candidates, and those who have previously failed paper 1 or paper 2 and are awaiting another chance to pass are all eligible to sit for KAPS exam. So if you're planning to take KAPS, make sure you prepare thoroughly and take advantage of this last opportunity. Now, talking about the OPRA, what exactly is different about the OPRA exam? One major shift is the exam format. OPRA will be a computer-based exam with 120 multiple choice question that you will need to finish in just 2.5 hours with no breaks. This is a big shift from the KAPS exam, which had 200 questions split across 2 papers over 5 hours, including 1 hour break. Now, with OPRA, you will need to tackle all the 120 questions in just 150 minutes. Now, let's see what all topics are covered. While the KAPS focused a lot on theoretical part like pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, the OPRA puts more focus towards therapeutics and the practical applications of pharmacy knowledge, which prepares pharmacists to work more effectively in Australia. So previously you can see in KAPS topics like pharmaceutical chemistry 30%, pharmacology and physiology 70%, pharmaceutics 30% and therapeutics 70% were covered. But coming to the OPRA, there are changes in the topics weightage. Here's a quick breakdown. Therapeutics and patient care will make up 45%, biomedical science 20%, pharmacology and toxicology is 15%, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics is 10%, and medicinal chemistry, biopharmaceutics is also 10%. So as you can see, comparative to other topics, there is a much stronger focus on therapeutics and patient care. Another big change is how the exam is scored. OPRA uses a unique scale scoring system called the RASH methodology. It is an adaptive testing method that not only considers whether the answer is correct but also the difficulty of each question. Unlike KAPS, where every single question is worth 1 mark, OPRA introduces a level-based marking system where each question carries different marks depending upon its difficulty. Plus, 90% of the questions is counted towards your score while 10% are unscored. But you won't know which questions is scored or unscored. Each candidate will get a unique set of questions, which means nobody is going to get a similar question. So it's a kind of more personalized assessment. And yeah, always remember the unscored questions are distributed across all the 5 content areas. They are used for the testing purposes but will not affect your final score. One more thing to keep in mind is how the results are shared. You won't receive the exact answer list or your exact score and percentage. Instead, the result will simply show whether you passed or failed, and the result will be available within 4 weeks with the dates posted on the official website. Now let's know about what stays the same. OPRA will be just as challenging as KAPS, and the eligibility criteria, registration process, number of attempts and the validity of exam results all remains the same as KAPS. Just remember, if you're eligible for KAPS, you're all set for OPRA. Coming to the examination fees, here's some good news. While the KAPS exam costs 2,290 Australian dollars, the upcoming OPRA exam will be a bit more affordable, priced at 2,190 Australian dollars, saving you $100. Lastly, as we prepare for this transition, here are a few key dates that you need to keep in mind. The final KAPS exam will be held this November from 25th to 27th of 2024. If you wish to resit the KAPS exam, you can do so in this session or you can opt for the OPRA exam in 2025. Likewise, the first OPRA exam will be held from March 3rd to 5th of 2025 and the registration process will start on January 9th and will close on February 3rd of 2025. So guys, it's important to get familiar with it as you prepare for OPRA. Stay focused, keep pushing yourself and you will be ready to take on this new challenge with confidence.